Tonight we're barbecuing some pork chops on Cooking with Jon. Fire in the hole, fire in the hole. Oh, got a bubble over. Uh-oh, uh-oh. This thing is fucking full of shit. Okay, well I'm glad she's a pixel trucker, but she's not a shit. Welcome back, guys. As I said, tonight we are doing some barbecue pork chops. This recipe is courtesy of dinner at the zoo. I thought, what the hell, pork chops sound good. It's a nice day out. I like barbecuing, so why the hell not? If you don't know what we do, guys, we go online, find yourselves a recipe, pick up the stuff we need, go out and cook it. Tonight we're going out and cook it. Sometimes we cook it inside. Been doing this for about 105 days or so of a 365-day cooking challenge. Been a hell of a time. A lot of fun. You ever get doing like that? It's a good time, I'll tell you that anyway. Looking to set a world record too. Most consecutive days cooking a different dish off the internet without ever repeating it. We've done 43, 44 days. We have an application in with the world record people, but as the coronavirus is around, all that sort of crap, well, who knows how long it's going to take. Anyway, let's get right to this one. We'll start with the marinade. So first we're going to add our hot water. Our sugar. Our salt. Dissolve that. That's dissolved for the most part. We're going to add peppercorns, allspice, our crushed garlic, bay leaves and thyme. We have to crush our fennel. It says lightly crushed fennel, so we'll use the word. Now our fennel. Barbecue sauce. Finally, our cold water. Drain our water. And now we got our pork chops. Look. Now we refrigerate that for 8 hours, 6 to 8 hours, and then barbecue. So now they're done marinating, guys. We're ready to grill. Welcome back, guys. Our pork is done. It's looking good. You'll have to excuse the music in the background. My kids are watching Madagascar. It sounds like a dance party. Anyway, looking good. Come over here, take a look. See what you think. Looking pretty decent, I think, anyway. Not a bad looking little pork chop. So, let's see what we think of this whole process we did here. Seems very tender. That's really nice. That's damn good pork chop. Wow. Anyway, guys, that is good. I like to move it too anyway. Come on over here, take a look at the date and time. It is Saturday the 18th at 6:47 p.m. in Temiskaming Shores. It's been another Cooking with Jon, guys. As I said, I like to move it. But anyway, we'll see you later. Come back and see the next one. Bye for now.